In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an expense in Xero step by step. If you've already paid for something from your bank account and just need to record it properly in Xero, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Recording expenses correctly keeps your books accurate, your reports clean, and your accountant happy. So whether you're tracking office supplies, meals, software subscriptions, or any other business cost, this method will work perfectly for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This will show you all the bank accounts connected to your Xero organization. Next, click on the specific bank account that you used to pay for the expense. For example, if you paid using your business checking account, select that account from the list. This opens up the transaction screen for that bank account. Now, to manually record the expense, click on Add Transaction. From the options that appear, choose Spend Money. This is the option you use when money has already left your account and you want to categorize it correctly in your books. Once you click Spend Money, a new transaction form will open. Here's where you'll enter the details of the expense. Start with the Who field. This is where you enter the name of the payee. For example, if you bought office supplies from a specific store, type the store's name here. If the contact already exists in Xero, you can select it from the dropdown. If not, Xero will automatically create a new contact for you. Next is the What field, which is the description. This should clearly explain what the expense was for. Keep it simple but specific. For example, you might write printer paper and office supplies, or team lunch meeting. This helps when reviewing transactions later. Now move to the Why section, which is the Account field. This is very important because it determines how the expense is categorized in your financial reports. Click the drop-down and select the appropriate expense account, such as office supplies, meals and entertainment, software subscriptions, or any other relevant category in your chart of accounts. Choosing the correct account ensures your profit and loss report stays accurate. After that, enter the amount that was spent. Make sure this matches the exact total that left your bank account. If there was tax included, confirm that the tax rate is correct based on your business setup and local tax rules. Then check the Date field. Enter the actual transaction date, which is usually the date the payment was made or processed. Keeping dates accurate is essential for proper financial reporting and bank reconciliation. Before saving, quickly review all the information you entered. Double-check the payee name, description, account category, amount, and date. Taking a few seconds to review can prevent mistakes that might affect your reports later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense in Xero using the Spend Money method. This method is perfect when you've already paid for something and don't need to create a bill first. It keeps your records clean and makes bank reconciliation much easier when matching transactions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Xero tutorials just like this one. Let me know in the comments what other Xero topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.